Hi everyone, in this short video, we are going to be going over your 1-1 discussion, the value of social scientific questions, your initial post to the week 1 discussion board. We are going to have a separate video that will discuss your response posts to the week 1 discussion board, and you'll be able to find that in the announcements when it's posted. So this is your prompt for the 1-1 discussion board assignment. It begins by asking you to introduce yourself to your instructor and peers. Share who you are, where you're from, and what your goals are for taking this course. Share what you're comfortable sharing. Perhaps you have a hobby that you love, or maybe you want to talk to us about your major or career. Share what it is you're comfortable sharing. Now, once you've done that, you'll be moving on to the formal part of the prompt for week 1. This is asking you to choose a topic of interest to you. Cars or transportation, social media, marriage, or work. Now, if you want to choose a topic that is not on this list, you can email me to see if it's something acceptable to use. We're looking for pretty generic and broad topics here, which is why these are the ones that were chosen by the school. It'll make the response posts much easier for your peers, but if there's something you want to consider using as a topic, email me and we can talk about it. Now, once you have a topic, you are going to be asking a total of 6 questions related to that topic. 2 questions will come from psychology and the study of the individual. 2 questions will be about sociology and the study of society. And 2 are going to be questions from anthropology and the study of the past and present. So please make sure that you're labeling your questions so that it's clear which 2 questions are psychology, which 2 are sociology, and which 2 are anthropology. So this asks you to use your module resources to answer your questions. So that brings us to the first tool I have to help you. In the module overview, you saw this asking questions like a social scientist chart. You saw information about the types of questions that a psychologist, a sociologist, and anthropologist would ask. Please be sure you're using this chart to help you as you create your 2 questions from each of these branches. In addition to this information, you can also view the sample post that I have in the discussion board. It's pinned to the top of the week 1 discussion board, and this will give you an example of what's required in your initial post assignment. And you'll notice I have my questions here, and then my little biography I purposely put at the end so you can see the questions first. So the last reminder, please remember that that initial post to the week 1 discussion board is due by 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time on Thursday of week 1. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can either email me or post your question right in the general questions discussion board. Thanks for watching.